Hey guys, so I'm back with another how to plant video, and we're at that home stretch. We have less than a month till we plant out those seedlings. It's getting super exciting. So here in Texas, we've been seeing temperatures in the high 60s, but we have so much more planting to do. But this particular plant that we're planting is super easy to grow. It germinated for me within 2 days, and I'm going to take you step by step and show you how to grow Mahogany Splendor. It's super gorgeous in bouquets. It adds the drama, it adds color, and you can also use it in your landscape. So let's get to planting. So here we have the Mahogany Splendor seed. It is super tiny, but this super tiny seed packs a huge punch. So here are my seedlings germinated so far. So what I did here was sow the seed right at the surface. I did not dig a hole or anything, and then I'm just going to lightly press it down and cover with just a thin layer of dirt. It's nice and moist, and that way the light can help it germinate. So these are what the seedlings look like after 3 weeks of growing, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like after 3 days. We have really nice germination, and I hope you guys have lots of luck growing this beautiful Mahogany Splendor. I just got done watering the seedlings. Make sure you do not let any of your roots stand in water, so make sure to drain those. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip. So please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.